Do you understand English but don't know how to answer simple questions? What should you say when someone asks, "How are you?" or "Where are you from?" "What do you do?" In today's lesson, you will learn 30 common English questions and answers that people use every day. Listen carefully, repeat after me, and improve your English step by step. Let's start. Question 1. How are you? Answer. I am fine, thank you. How are you? Question number 2. What's your name? What is your name? My name is John. Where are you from? I am from UK. How old are you? I am 18 years old. What do you do? I am a student. Do you speak English? Yes, I do. Why are you learning English? Because I want to speak fluently. What is your favorite hobby? My favorite hobby is reading. What time do you wake up? I wake up at 6 o'clock. Do you like coffee? Yes, I do. What is your favorite food? My favorite food is pizza. Do you have any brothers or sisters? Yes, I have one brother. What are you doing now? I am practicing English. What day is it today? What day is it today? Today is Monday. Can you help me? Of course, I will help you. Where do you live? I live in a small town. What is your dream? My dream is to become successful. Do you watch YouTube? Yes, I watch YouTube every day. What is your favorite color? My favorite color is blue. Do you like traveling? Yes, I love traveling. What are your future plans? I want to improve my English and build my career. What did you do yesterday? I studied English and watched videos. What are you going to do tomorrow? What are you going to do tomorrow? I am going to practice English. Do you enjoy learning new things? Yes, I enjoy learning every day. What makes you happy? Learning and improving make me happy. What is your favorite movie? My favorite movie is very inspiring. How often do you exercise? I exercise 3 times a week. What is your biggest goal? My biggest goal is to become fluent in English. Do you like reading books? Yes, I love reading books. What advice would you give to English learners? Practice every day and never give up. Excellent work. Today you practiced 30 common English questions and answers. To improve faster, watch this lesson again and repeat every answer aloud. Remember, confidence comes from practice. Fluency comes from consistency. Practice a little every day and you will see amazing progress. Thank you for learning with slow English daily. See you in the next lesson.